In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best RAM swap apps for Android. If you're looking to boost your device's performance and improve multitasking without rooting, these apps can help. Let's jump right in and see what each one has to offer. RAM Swapper. RAM Swapper is a popular app designed to enhance the performance of Android devices by utilizing external storage as virtual RAM. This app helps users optimize their device's multitasking capabilities by allowing them to allocate a portion of their SD card or internal storage as RAM. The app features a user-friendly interface, making it easy to add just swap file sizes and configurations. Users can monitor their RAM usage and performance in real time, helping to identify any improvements in device speed and responsiveness. RAM Swapper is particularly useful for older devices that may struggle with limited RAM. RAM Swap App. RAM Swap App is another effective tool that helps users manage their device's RAM and increase performance by setting up a swap file on external storage. This app is designed to improve multitasking by enabling users to run more applications simultaneously without experiencing lag. It provides options for customizing the swap file size according to the user's preference and available storage space. The app includes performance monitoring tools that let users track RAM usage and efficiency over time. RAM Swap App is perfect for users looking to boost the performance of their devices without the need for rooting. RAM Swap No Root. RAM Swap No Root is an accessible app for Android users who want to enhance their device's performance without rooting. This app creates a swap area on either an SD card or internal storage to act as additional RAM, improving overall device functionality and speed. The app is easy to use, offering straightforward settings for configuring swap size and monitoring performance. Users can easily check their device's RAM usage and the effectiveness of the swap file in increasing the available memory. RAM Swap No Root is ideal for anyone seeking a simple solution to improve multitasking and reduce lag on their Android devices. Thanks for watching our video on the best RAM swap apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you enhance your device's performance and make the most of your available memory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.